everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have another FACETORY unboxing. FACETORY is a sheet mask subscription service and this is a service from the US. This is a service that I've been signed up to for quite a while now and it is a sheet mask delivery service. They have a few different levels of service available. They have the one that I get, which is called the Forever Fresh service, which means you will get 4 sheet masks each time. They also have a plan called the 7 Lux plan. You'll get 7 sheet masks and this one retails for $19.95, I believe it is. And then they have also a seasonal or bi-monthly box, which is around the $40 mark, and that comes with an array of different products from sheet masks to just general skincare and things like that. If it does sound like something you might be interested in, I will leave as many details as I can either in the description box or on the screen while I'm talking. With regards to it coming from the US, as I say, I get the Forever Fresh plan, which is just 4 sheet masks and it comes in an envelope like this. So it is just big enough to fit straight through your letterbox, which is great. So this service, as I say, is $8.90 and then you do have to pay shipping on top of that. Shipping is dependent on the country in which you are based and also on the size of the product. So because I just get an envelope, I think shipping for me is usually $6 or so. It does differ each time, but it does tend to be around the $6 mark. If you are based in the US, however, shipping is free, and that is the same with all of their plans. If you're based in the US, you don't pay any shipping. I'm not too sure what the shipping would be on the other plans if you're not based in the US. I can only say from my personal experience of this. Also, with regards to any customs charges or anything like that, I can only speak to the service I receive, and because it is a service only worth $9, it is under the threshold, so I've never had to pay any customs charges. Again, if you did get the more expensive plans, then you may be liable to customs. There will be details and everything on the website, which I will at the very least have that linked in the description box below. Once I've gone over all the things that I received, if it does sound like something that might interest you, I do actually have a referral link, which is always in my description box, and if you sign up using that referral link, if you do sign up using it, I either get a few extra sheet masks myself or I do get a discount off my next plan. So no obligation to follow the link, but it was just to let you know it is a referral link. So the sheet masks that I'm going to go over today are April's ones. Because it is coming from the US, I don't usually tend to get it until the middle of the month, and I do try to get these videos up as quickly as possible so that if you were to sign up at this time, you would know what sheet masks you would receive. The good thing with this service is you can choose how frequent you receive it. It's not something you have to receive every single month, and I don't. I tend to have it either set to 2 months or 3 months, dependent on how quick I get through the sheet masks I've been sent. I think I'm currently on 2 months, but to be honest, I'm going to delay it to 3 months because I have a few other different sheet masks that I've received from various places that I'm getting a bit of a backlog, so I think I need to delay this for that extra month to work my way through them. I did think being home more, I would be applying sheet masks more, but that just doesn't seem to be the case. Hopefully I can get through the ones that I have got before the next plan arrives, but let me show you what's in this one. So each month you do receive a little card in with your sheet masks, which gives you the information on each of the sheet masks you've received and also lets you know what the theme is for this month and things. So for this month it says it is time to glow from within and freshen up your skin. This month's Forever Fresh is packed with hydrating sheet masks that boost radiance. So that is exactly the kind of thing I need. I've been suffering recently with more dry skin than I usually do, so anything that's moisturising sounds good to me. Another point to note as well, if you do fall in love with one of the sheet masks that you try through this service, they do actually have a shop front as well, so you can then go online and purchase ones that you have liked, which is good. And this sheet also does contain the prices of each of the masks, so you know how much they are going to be before you look into them further. So these are the masks that I've actually received this month, and for some reason I have 5. I've not read this properly to know which one's an extra one. Whether it's a mistake or not, I'm not too sure. I've not had an alert that someone's used my referral link for me to get an extra sheet mask, so I'm not too sure, but I'm not going to complain at a freebie sheet mask. So the first one, as you can see here, is called Vitality. and this is a FACETORY own brand one. And I think I've had a FACETORY own brand one every month I've been doing this, and I've really liked them, to be honest. So this one says, this firming mask uses antioxidant rich punica granatum fruit extract and moisturising shea butter to turn a tired complexion into plump hydrated skin. So that sounds really good right now. Let me just have a look on the card to see if it says anything else. This says it is great to apply after a long day. One of the ingredients helps brighten the skin, fade dark spots and prevent fine lines. And the shea butter extract is a moisturising ingredient that seals in hydrations and provides relief to itchy, dry and irritated skin. So I say this one does sound great, and I've had a good run with the FACETORY own brand ones. So this one does normally retail for $2.50. Just to note while I'm mentioning dollars, say this is a service that I pay for in dollars. When I pay the $8.90 and the $6 or $7 the shipping, it tends to come out my bank anywhere between sort of £12 and £14, obviously exchange rate dependent. I can't remember how much this exact one was, but it wasn't too much different from what I usually pay. The next one we have here is this Bow Green Antioxidant Green Tea Mask. So this one says it is infused with green tea extract and antioxidant active ingredients to help, I can't speak today. Infused with green tea extract and antioxidant active ingredients to help soothe and calm skin. So this one is a Korean brand because the majority of the writing on the back is in Korean. There is some English on here, which is fine, but that's why you also get these cards as well, because they do send Korean skincare. So on the card it says green tea is a favourite skincare ingredient that helps hydrate, revitalise and also give your skin a healthy plump appearance. It's packed with antioxidants which helps protect the skin from damage while it heals blemishes and skin irritations. So another one that sounds absolutely perfect for right now. I generally don't have too many breakouts. Over the past few months my skin had been really good and I'd only had sort of hormonal breakouts, but since all this happened I've been getting a sort of fresh spot every few days, so something like this that is going to help with that sounds perfect. And this one retails for $2.50 also. Next we have this Lebelage Cucumber Solution Mask Pack, and this is another one that is a Korean one. So there's not much on the back I can read there, but on the card it says soothing mask which provides skin with hydration for a dewy and plump complexion. So obviously it's got cucumber extract in it, which is soothing and hydrating and also reduces redness. I'm not too sure about this one, to be honest. I'm not a massive fan of cucumber scented things. I'm not too sure about this one or whether to try it. What it claims to do does sound really good and kind of what I need right now, so maybe for the sake of 15 to 20 minutes I can forego the scent, but I am a bit more sensitive to scents, and anything watermelon I definitely can't bear, but cucumber's sort of quite high up there as well with scents that I'm not a fan of. So I'm going to have a think about whether to use this one or not, or maybe just pass it on. We have this one from Coscody, and this is a Propolis Blank Cell Mask. A lightweight propolis extract absorbs quickly to improve, heal and well nourished for clear radiant skin. So this is another Korean one, but it looked really interesting. And looking at the card, it actually looks like we could have received one of two. So I've got the Blank Cell Mask one, and I also could have received the Hydra Soother Cellulose Mask. So that's quite good that there was one or two, which is the first time I've seen that. It's always been, these are the 4 masks that are for this month. So I like that there was a bit of variation this month. I really like the packaging of this one as well. So it says for both of these, it does help with dry patches and pimples. Again, absolutely perfect. Hydrates the skin and strengthens its barrier and is extremely healing. Then this one is a powerful yet gentle ingredient which provides a barrier for the skin. Propolis contains healing and repairing properties to help fade dark spots and scars, all while healing skin irritations. And then the other one I could have received is an ingredient that helps firm and plump while providing hydration. So to be honest, both of those would have sounded good. It sounds like this one's more of a kind of repairing one, which I say I do quite need at the moment, so I'm more than happy to give this one a go. And then the final one is from the brand Look At Me, and this is a Vitamin Essence face mask. Now this one isn't mentioned on the card anywhere, so I don't know anything about this one. It is another one that looks like it is Korean, but it does have a section of English on the back. So this one says it contains niacinamide, helps to reduce melanin pigment production along with excellent whitening effect for dull skin. Formulated with fruits mix complex and royal jelly extract to boost critical functions for smooth and soft skin. So that one sounds quite good as well. And I've had a few other ones that have been kind of vitamin ones and they've been really nice. So this one says its main features are it is brightening and hydrating and it's just 15 minutes. So I say I don't know where this extra one's come from. It's not mentioned anywhere on the card, but I'm keen to give it a go, and at least if I don't use the cucumber one, I've still kind of got my 4 masks for my money sort of thing. So these are the masks that I got in this pack, and apart from the cucumber one, which I'm a bit wary of, all the rest of them sound really, really good, and I'm keen to give them a go to see what they're like. I think I'm most excited for the green and the purple, but I don't know if that's me kind of judging a book by its cover and I'm drawn in by the packaging, but that is it. And say if this is something that you think might be of interest for you, if you may be looking to pamper yourself at this moment, there will be that link in the description box, which again is a referral link, so no obligation to follow it through. I will also probably just link the website in the description box as well, just if you wanted to follow it through for just some information. But that is it for today's video. I hope everyone is doing well and as okay as they can be. If you did like the video today, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.